Once again, I am welcoming you to this Business Booster module. In past chapter, we studied about the different departments which are there in the enterprise. And today we will be talking about the outsourcing activities which we need to do. So let me share you my screen and let us talk about that. In earlier chapter, we saw that there are around 8 departments ideally in an enterprise, and it is not necessary you are having your own employees across those departments. So there are times wherein you need to outsource those activities. All right. What is the meaning of outsourcing? So outsourcing is a business practice of hiring a party which is outside a company to perform services and create goods that traditionally were performed in-house by the company's own employees and staff. So outsourcing is a practice usually undertaken by companies as a cost-cutting measure. See, you need to understand, if we have expertise in our company to fulfill those activities, then yes, we say we have expertise in those area and we have a full-fledged team fulfilling those activities. But if we do not have any expertise in those area, then we need to outsource it. It is better to get it outsourced. For example, social media marketing. In the marketing, if you want to do social media and if you see yourself not having the expertise or not having the capabilities to fulfill that activity, then you are going to get it outsourced. There are people who are doing social media marketing for the company, and you can take one of them as your vendor. Similarly, if you do not have full-fledged HR team and if you need to recruit people, then obviously you do not have expertise in that area and you want that to be to be outsourced. So the main thing you need to consider is what is the commercial viability of that department. It is viable to have a person dedicated for that department. If it is not so, then you need to outsource those activities. So there are two areas which are primarily responsible for taking the decision whether we need to outsource the activity or we need to build the capabilities in our company and then take it further. If it is commercial viable, you need to go ahead with your own people doing those activities. If it is not commercial viable, then what you will do? You will outsource those activities. Similarly, if you do not have expertise in your company fulfilling those activities, then definitely you need to outsource. One example which I have gone through is marketing. For example, if you are not having any expertise on a search engine optimization of your website, then definitely you need to outsource those things. In companies like there was one company which was into hair transplant. There was this hair transplant doctor who didn't have that expertise in his company who can drive the lead engine. So in that case, that total department of marketing lead generation was outsourced to a vendor who used to then get the lead, generate the lead, and pass on the customers to the company, and the company used to take it further by the way of counseling and by the way of generating the business. So in production also there are lot many areas which are getting outsourced. For example, if you are not having full-fledged production capabilities on in one area, then that area you can get it outsourced, and the remaining area you can continue in your business, because if it is not commercial viable, it is not important to continue that activity in your own company. So with this, I am going to give you an assignment. Identify the activities in your organization which you want to outsource, And the parameters for outsourcing would be whether that is commercial viable, or you have the lack of expertise in that area, that definitely you need to outsource. So identify all the areas which you want to outsource, and also identify how you will outsource them. So with this, I end this chapter, and we will again talk on a different topic in a different video. Thank you.